see, I'm looking at the bar limit now. I'm a plush. My voice actor here had actually did martial arts yesterday and broke his board. Mario, do that mean? Buy your Mario OHG Tanuki plushes today. Oh, okay, I did that meme. Okay. Now for the hard arts. Now this will be a pub show related episode. If I'm signed out, Scabby Lab. Poop up. Butt scallop. Okay, now how break the board. Stomp on it. Also you can karate chop. That's when you hit people in the stomach and say, dig up. Do this, that, and this, then, say ma'am. If your karate teacher is a sir, call him sir. Say yes sir or yes ma'am for girls. Mickey, can I have some more water and Cheez-Its? I'm thirsty. I'm going to drink some after this since he's tired. Long day. Why is this under a bar limit? So this will be 5 minutes. Maybe I have to cut this down during editing. But I don't really edit my videos because I need fast time. Fast! This will be 3 minutes. I'll be your karate teacher. Maybe if we do a part 2 on tomorrow, we'll do this. But since the Mario plush will be here on Friday, so we have enough time to do that. Sorry, I'm just going to switch Puppy. Hi guys, it's me, Puppy. I'm sorry for yesterday. I was off yesterday, so that's why I made the video for the episode for yesterday on a Monday. I wanted to take a break, so that's why. Because I was tired of making videos, and it took long for me, and I got mad at my grandma having to make excuses. But I'll just make more videos, and I'm sorry that I might, if we're going to end the series on January 1st due to me going to go back to doing the comics because we need to become popular. So I would just accept you that over the past years my scarf has been changing due to me cutting it off one time, so that's why. So anyways, I hope you fans have a lovely day, and I'll see you later in season 7, episode 5. Also in part 2 of that's going to be part 2 of Astral Blazing. Bar limit included. Now if you need help, show your karate teacher this, and I'll see you later. So subscribe. And bye.